guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist and welcome to my studio. Today we will create a movie poster from scratch in Adobe Photoshop and we will be using our amazing watercolor brushes. But we will be using our watercolor brushes not for our painting purposes, but for creating kind of misty and mystery effect. So guys, let's start. I have opened Adobe Photoshop and also I have created my simple document with transparent background. Now I will switch to the paint basket tool and I will specify dark burgundy color for my background, just like that. And using the paint basket tool, I will apply color for my background. Let's rename our layer to background, just like this. Now guys, I will switch to brush tool. In a brushes panel, let me expand it for better preview for you guys. I have a lot of brushes I downloaded from Adobe website. Let me scroll up and here I have my favorite watercolor brush. I will click on this brush and I will specify color for my brush. Let's use kind of bright red color. And I will create a new empty layer. Using my favorite watercolor brush, I will create kind of a misty effect. Just like this. Look at this. Look at all this texture. Now, I will switch color of my brush to yellow, bright yellow, and I will add a few splashes of yellow color. Just like this. I will rename layer to watercolor brush. Perfect. Guys, I have opened Pixel Squid plugin. I will click on a 3D model I would like to work with. Today, let me scroll up. Let's see. I will be using this beautiful 3D model building, just like that. And I will rotate my 3D object directly from the Pixel Squid plugin, just like this. Maybe something like this. Yes, I will specify that I don't need shadow in this 3D object, but I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. I will increase size of my building, just like this. And I will click OK to accept all changes. Now, guys, I would like to move my 3D building inside of my watercolor brush layer. I will click and hold Option key and I will reposition my mouse between two layers, my building layer and my watercolor brush layer, like that. When I will see that my mouse change, my cursor changed to down arrow sign, I will click on the line between these two layers. And voila, I have applied clipping mask to my layer. Now, I still have highlighted my building layer. I will change blend mode for this layer. Let's see what blend mode I will like. Oh, I like darken or multiply. Let's see. I'm thinking between darken and multiply. Let's use let's use darken, just like that. And I love everything about it, but first of all, let me resize it just slightly and reposition it. Yes, now I like it. Now this is exactly as I wanted. But I would like to make bottom side of my building less visible. So I will add a layer mask to my building layer. I will switch to gradient tool from a foreground to transparent and radial type. And I will bring down opacity of my gradient tool to 84% and I will paint out bottom size of my building. If you painted out more than you wanted, guys, simply switch foreground color from black to white and you will be able to bring back areas you painted out more than you wanted, just like this. And of course, I can bring down opacity of my building layer, just like that. And I'm happy, guys. Look at this. Look at this effect. How awesome is it? What I will do now, guys, I will switch to horizon type tool. Color for my type doesn't matter because it will be not visible anyways. And I will type, I don't know, example, let's type my city, because we are creating a movie poster. And now I will increase size for my font. Just like this, and I will reposition it to the way, in the way I want, just like this. Maybe it's too big. Perfect. Now, in the layer panel, I will specify that I don't need to have fill in my type, so I will move fill slider all the way to the left. Now, my type text, my city words are not visible. What I will do, I will click on layer style, and I will click on stroke like this. In layer style panel, workspace or panel, you can name it as you like. I prefer to name it workspace because we have everything we need in same workspace. I will bring down opacity of my stroke style, just like this. And definitely I can change color, any color you like. It's up to you guys. Let's see. Just like this. I like it, and I will click OK. Look at this. How awesome is it? Of course, guys, using the move tool, I can reposition my text at any time, anywhere I like. I like it somewhere here. Perfect. Now, guys, what I will do, I will open Adobe Paper Texture Pro plugin. This plugin is free for you if you are Creative Cloud subscriber. And let's see what texture I would like to apply to my poster. Guys, we have a lot of wonderful choices, and it's all the time, for me, it's super difficult to choose the right one because I love all of them. So I will click on this one. Again, you can use any texture you like. Let me zoom in for better preview. By default, guys, Adobe Paper Texture Pro applied a separate layer with a layer mask, and blend mode changed to overlay. Of course, you can change blend mode at any time. It's up to you. I kind of like multiply, but it's too dark. Oh my god, I love color burn. Let's see what we can do with it. Oh my god, I love it. And because, guys, Photoshop applied our texture a separate layer, I can bring down opacity of this layer. Just like this. And I really love it. How awesome is it? Now, guys, I will merge all visible layers, just like that. I will duplicate this layer just in case to show to you before and after. I will switch to, let's see, I will switch to Dutch tool. In the options bar, I will specify a range to highlight, exposure, probably about 11. I will increase size of my brush. Let's see. And I will paint out, and I will apply few brush strokes around highlighted areas in my poster, just like this. Look at this, guys. How awesome is it? I love it, guys. And this is what I wanted to share with you today. Now you know how easy you can create any poster in Adobe Photoshop. It's super easy, it's super fun. And guys, if you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Super appreciated your time, super appreciated all your support. Thank you, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.